So we've got Wendy's shop here. The heartily handmade badge reels, keychains, accessories, tumblers, and more out of Beverly, Massachusetts. And you've got 8 sales. So good start there. Let's see what we got here. We got some door signs. We got some little caps. And I wonder if I can see your sales here. Perfect. Okay. So you've made 7 sales and they've all been different. Actually, no, you got 2 ornaments. Okay. So that's a good, you got something trending there. I have an angel in heaven I call Grammy. I have an angel in heaven called Dad, called Mom. All right. Very cute. So on this one here, personalized plastic disc shaped ornaments available with different names, personalization available. So, okay, good. You've got your personalization. So on this little personalization note, I would just tell them, either ask if they would like their name. So you could just basically give them instructions, something like enter the name or that you want on the ornament or the title. So title would be title. I think that would be how you'd say it to mom, dad, brother, uncle. And then obviously they can figure out names. Name, Sally, Sophie, something like that. So I give them a tiny bit more context on that one because otherwise they may be confused. And then on this one here, since you have a lot of colors, I'd love to see a little bit more options of what those colors could look like. So if you could do a color chart photo, that'd be really nice to have as well, where maybe just like going, across and down, you've got the beige, black, blue, bronze, brown color options there. But let's get back to your shop here and look at some of your other more current items, because you probably aren't going to be selling a lot of ornaments for the next 12 months or so. So let's see here. We got beaded pens that are refillable. Haven't updated yet. No worries. So beaded pens, refillable. Very cute. Select a color, gold. Message me for custom orders. So the one thing I would love to see more photos. You've got a lot of photo spaces, so you might as well show more photos. And there's a lot of ways you can style the pens. One, you could be drawing, you could be writing something like a thank you note. So maybe have an example like thank you note being drawn. You could even do a video drawing something so people could see it. And then I think you need to have a little bit more clarity that they're only going to get 1 pen, because I think it's a tiny bit confusing, and some people may think that they're going to get all 4. But I don't think, I'm pretty sure that's not the case. So I would just say I would just put in your description down here, comes with 1 pen, pick the one that you want in the, drop down right there. But more photos would be good. More, a photo of it in someone's hand, a photo of it writing a note of some sort, and then a photo of how does the pen actually close. So is it a cap or is it like a screw, like a twist or something, and the pen retracts into it? I'd like to see those details as well. Now, let's look up this keyword here, beaded pens. 11,000 results. Okay, so that's a good opportunity right there. Lots of results there. And I would go for that keyword. And then I would also try to find some smaller keywords to put in, because you got only 1 keyword here. So what are some other ones? We got beaded pen for 11,000 results. And then let's see, what are the other competition doing? These people got DIY beaded pen. Let's see, beautiful handmade made of honor pen. That one's pretty fancy. Custom beaded pen, beatable metal pens. Let's see, beaded, all sorts of. So what are some other ones? We could do refillable beaded pens. So that one is only 742. So it's a lot smaller there. 742. Let's see what else we can do. Yeah, so I would just say it'd be good to get more keywords in altogether. Let's see what is like classy. Let's try classy beaded pens. Only 500, so that one's not quite as big. But, you know, there's a few people looking it up. Fancy, we could try fancy. Fancy gives you 827. So I feel like there's a few more bigger keywords out there that you could use, but I would definitely recommend doing some keyword research and trying to find all of the good keywords that you can use. You know, you could even try something like uh, we could do boss, lady, pen. Let's try something like that. 778. So a little bit. Um, let's see, looks more like boss babe and boss bitch. So let's try that one. Boss babe pen 688. So a little bit of opportunity there. Um, so whenever anything you could think of there. Now bling, there we go. Another one, bling pen. We got this pen is blinging. So we got some results here. 2,000 results. I don't now, they don't really quite look like yours, but it's still a keyword that you could go ahead and use in your listing title. But I think you get the idea that you can just go out there and search a lot of different keywords to try to find the best keywords there. But I'm going to send you all of these keywords that I've put together, but I'll also send you a link to the optimizing your shop for Etsy search workshop. So in this workshop, I break down a lot more in detail how to find the best keywords. And I would recommend checking it out because you're going to be able to find more keywords and just get ideas. Now, one other that I haven't touched on yet would be boss babe gift. Okay. So gifts are a big opportunity. People love buying gifts on Etsy. And there we go, 13,000 results right there. So it's not as precise as what we've been looking at. Obviously, it's not, it doesn't say specifically pen, but it is a great keyword because it's a lot of opportunity and people love buying gifts for people on Etsy. So I think that one's got a lot of opportunity. Let's see. What is this thing here? Hedgehog badge reel. So I don't really know what this is. Maybe other people do, but I think you need to have more in the description here. Swivel alligator clip badge holder. Oh, so it's like a badge reel. Okay. Maybe like a lanyard. So this listing just doesn't have enough information. One, you need to get some more photos showing off a few different things. I would also show it attached to a badge so they can see it getting, you know, how it attached to like a little card so people can see what it looks like in action and with a card attached to it. That would be good to have. And then I would say just more photos overall showing off the product would be really good because it would give you more clarity about, you know, what the product looks like. And then your description, you need a little bit more information in the description. And, you know, obviously this is a pretty simple product. It's pretty self-explanatory, but some details you could put in the description would be, you know, this spindle is 18 inches long and it has a magnet or it has a clip or this or that. Also for this little thing, you should show the back side of it so they can see how this is going to clip into their clothes. Is it a clip? Is it a hook? Is it a magnet? Some people are going to, you know, be particular about that because they might think, well, if it's a magnet, it's going to fall off. But if it's a clip, it's going to damage my clothes. You know, so people want to know all the details. They want to know all the information. So more photos, a little bit more information in your description here, and then more keywords up here. So cute badge reel, cute badge or something like that. Those little details are going to help you out as well.